How to make your own dog cake recipe.
Hey guys, so before we begin, here are the ingredients you'll need to make this recipe. You must have dog crumbs biscuit, minced meat, whichever you preferred, shredded carrots, 2 eggs, potatoes, and unsweetened Greek yogurt. So as you can see, I'll be adding more dog biscuits to the mortar and pestle. I know I sound like Fred Flintstone, but you are more than welcome to use a food processor if you wanted to. But since mine was broken, I didn't have much of a choice, did I? Shopee, stop it! So after heating the pan over high heat, I added water in the desired mincemeat and cooked it until golden brown. While searing the meat, the oil from the meat itself shows up, so I added a little bit of water to it because I don't want too much oil for my dog. Now, prepare the carrots and peel its skin. Then, grate your carrots so that you can prepare the shredded buns. While the meat is still cooking, add that to it. Since the meat is getting less oil now, I'll add more water and leave it for a few minutes until it's ready. There you go, the meat is done. So now I've used the dog crumb biscuits as the base for my baking dish, and now I'm just gonna push it. So yeah, I'll add more bit water and then push again. So I'll repeat the process for this, pouring more into this dish and push it, and to the other baking dish as well, and pushing it down with this again, and then spool until it's all intact. Now gotta crack the egg. By the way, you need 2 actually. It's the first egg, and then bait it until it's ready. There you go, the other one, I just cracked the egg. Yeah, just continue beating the egg until it's fluffy. Pour that egg on the dish to mix up with the dog crumb biscuits. Sorry guys, this takes a while. It's my first time making this cake as well. Yeah, just so add that egg onto the other baking dish. Moving on, we're just going to mix that with this meat, the egg, and mix it well. When it's done, place the meat in the baking dish, and there you go, it's ready to go to the oven. So this is a simple recipe and also very healthy for your dogs. There are no condiments in this. Since my dog is a picky eater, I try to avoid it as much as possible. Otherwise, he won't eat it. Oh hey, just a reminder to drizzle some oil around the baking dish so it doesn't stick after cooking. I should have said it earlier, but yeah, I must have forgotten. While doing this, you can start preheating your oven right now. So I poured water into this deep baking dish, which will hold the 2 small round dishes, and I'll put it now in the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes and wait till it's ready. And you can take out the dish and let it cool down. There you go, voila! So I used a knife around the cake to keep it from sticking out when you had to remove it afterwards. See? It's much easier later on. So you're going to boil these peeled potatoes and mash it. Mash it till it becomes fluffy, and you have to prepare the Greek yogurt. Remember, this is unsweetened ones. Mix it up with these boiled potatoes and mash it. After mashing it thoroughly, you'll use this to cover the dog meat cake you baked and use it as icing on the cake after it's been thoroughly mashed. Alright? Now it's time to make the icing, which I did with small plastic because I didn't have a piping bag. So there you go. That's the final outcome. I hope you enjoyed it and find it really simple to make because it is absolutely loved by my dog. Woof! Adios!